Hello and welcome to the final part of our Futureproof Your Home video series. As discussed in the previous videos, when upgrading your home, it's important to understand how your home works, what measures will be suitable, and how they should be installed. When retrofitting, there are several different professionals that can help you, depending on your circumstances. Let's take a look at the decision tree and the accompanying download to see which route will be suitable for you. If you want to know how energy efficient your home is right now, you can use Route 1 to understand the current energy performance of your home by finding out if you have an up-to-date energy performance certificate or to create a new one. If you also want to get a better understanding of the potential your home has to be more energy efficient, nicer to live in, and cheaper to run, then you can use Route 2 and use a retrofit assessor. They can help you understand the condition of your building and assist with planning your retrofit journey and potential pathways to a more resilient home. Finally, if you want to do all of the above and you also want to extend or remodel your home, then you can use Route 3 and embark on your retrofit journey by finding a suitably qualified retrofit architect or designer. We've included some useful links in the accompanying PDF download to help you start with all three routes and find the correct professional to help you. What to expect from your retrofit journey? Whichever professional you work with, the process your retrofit journey will take will be very similar and follow these principal steps. Step 1. Assess the property. The first step in your retrofit process is to understand your existing property. Whichever professional is helping you with your retrofit works will need to do the following. They'll need to visit your property to visually assess the existing condition of your home. This includes its condition, your current heating system, and existing insulation and ventilation, as well as a measured survey to capture the size of your home. They'll ask you to confirm your current energy usage, ask you questions to understand how you use your home, find out the types of improvements you want to carry out and your end goals, e.g., are you seeking to reduce your energy bills? Do you want to improve your comfort? Or are reducing carbon emissions your main concern? All this information will help them understand what measures will be right for you and your property. A quality retrofit assessment needs to be carried out by an appropriately skilled person. See our different routes to see which will be right for you and some questions to ask them to ensure they're a good fit for your requirements. Step 2. A whole house plan. Using the information gathered in Step 1, your professional will create a whole house plan, or similarly named, which will detail all the measures you could take to make your home as energy efficient and comfortable as possible. It will include recommendations on which measures are the most cost-effective, have the most impact, and in which order they need to be carried out. This will allow you to make an informed decision on which works make sense for you to do first. Having a whole house plan will help you avoid potential issues that can occur when people carry out energy efficiency measures one by one without paying attention to how they'll interact. For example, upgrading your windows and draft proofing can increase damp problems if you haven't provided suitable ventilation. Not all homes can be improved in the same way, but having a plan means that the incremental steps you take to upgrade your home will all work together to eventually make your home the best it can be. In turn, this will allow you to benefit from the comfort of your home and the peace of mind that this brings. Step 3. Design and contracting. Once you've decided upon your preferred choice of measures to be undertaken, this needs to be translated into a scope of works and other technical information to allow a contractor to price the works, just as they would for a typical construction or renovation project. Preparing the information may require the input of architects, consultants, or engineers, and sometimes contractors or suppliers with early advice. If following Route 1 and carrying out an extension or other building works at the same time, the retrofit task will get wrapped into the scope of works for the full build of your project. The most important thing at this stage is that those professionals advising you understand that your home needs to be considered as a whole system and that the approach to improvements needs to be holistic. Step 4. On-site. When making sure your home is energy efficient, the devil is in the detail. So it's important that the work you're having done is installed correctly. Not all contractors are up to date on the level of installation that retrofit works require to deliver the energy savings you're invested in. If your contractor is not an approved retrofit installer, it is crucial that you have someone overseeing the project who understands the whole house plan so that unintended consequences can be avoided. This person will likely be your retrofit coordinator, your retrofit architect, or an energy consultant working with your architect. Misunderstanding the sequence of works, swapping out materials or products for alternatives that may not meet the required specification, or omitting some elements of work entirely to save time or money can be detrimental to the retrofit project as a whole. Contractors or installers that have the necessary skills can be suggested by your retrofit advisor or retrofit architect. You can find instructions of how to find approved retrofit installers in our PDF download that accompanies this series. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this series. You can download the PDF that accompanies this series at the link in our show notes. And if you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us at hello@homenotes.co.